What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're doing a trade recap for GJ. Now I know I said I probably won't be trading yesterday, but I actually finished work early, which allowed me to trade the New York session. So this is a trade recap on New York session. And as you guys can see already, I actually got stopped out of this trade. So yesterday's trade was a loss. And we're going to go right into this with good detail, because my losses are very important for me to learn, as well as my wins. But let's get right into it. So 4 hourly and 1 hourly were actually bullish. I'll show you this. Shit. So we were actually bullish on the 1 hourly. On the 4 hourly. We did have like this little imbalance, but we were overall bullish. We started like a bullish trend. Coming to look at it, this actually could have just been like a little pull up into this fair value gap, but it's all right. 1 hour was also bullish coming into the day. Now into the session. Now 30-minute highs and lows. We see it get touched into, and we were already bullish on the 5-minute. So now I'm waiting for like a confluence to hit, which I had a fair value gap right here. And this fair value gap was respected. Price came in, and then we got closure out of it. So I'm thinking beautiful, like perfect entry. And then I set my stops, my take profit at this high in the session highs. And my stop loss I set, which was pretty stupid of me actually, like 6 pips below the fair value gap, which is actually dumb because now I'm literally just guessing at this point. It's not at like a low. I could have put it below a confluence, but like I thought that was really tight of a stop loss. So I put it 7 pips below, like 6 pips below the fair value gap, which was actually pretty dumb of me. So stop loss was a bit Price came up, pushed up a little bit, and then the next 5-minute candle literally just stopped me out. Like it just shut itself. I got stopped out. So I didn't move my take profit. I didn't move my stop loss. I risked 0.5% on my account. This is my second actual trade I took this month because I haven't been able to. But now that I'm done with work and stuff, I can now trade nearly every day, which is perfect. Now price stopped me out. It broke structure to the downside, and then it kind of made this sort of somewhat consolidation. Thing to note, 15-minute was actually bearish coming into it. So that's one thing I should probably look out for. 15-minute time frame, is it aligned with the 5-minute? Something to look at. I don't want to say I'm not going to trade New York, but I should probably try and avoid it just for now. There was news at 10:30, but it was for USD. It was like unemployment claims. It was a yellow folder. I don't think that's not the reason why I got stopped out, but yeah. So we had that happen. 4 hourly was bullish. 1 hourly is bullish. So I was kind of trying to go with that trend, but obviously it did not work out. Price overall did end up pushing down, as we can see. So yeah, I'm not too annoyed at this trade. I'm actually kind of happy it happened because it does also show me that even though confluences can meet and the trade seems pretty good, shit can happen. You can get stopped out. So I'm happy I didn't move my stop loss. I didn't move my take profit. I literally watched myself get stopped out. I got stopped out within 10 minutes virtually of price action from that trade, which is all right. Still looking to improve, obviously. This is quite annoying, but oh well. It's fine. We can improve from this. It's just one loss. No need to get too upset about it. Now, in terms of other areas for improvement, I think psychologically, I was pretty good with this. It was more so the actual strategy, the time frame. I probably should have waited for either another confluence, the 15-minute, or like just a breaker structure to the downside. Because if I was here when that happened, then I could have just waited for that bearish fair value gap, and then waited for price to push in here. Then I could have targeted these lows, or even that low. That would have worked. But I think regardless, I probably would have gotten stopped out if I did a buy or sell. So that's the trade recap, guys. It is a loss, but oh well, happens. I will be trading tonight, London session, in like 2 hours. 2 hours? Yeah, like 2 hours. So yeah. Anyway, that's it for today. For now. Thank you guys for watching the video. Like, subscribe, do whatever. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of this trade, or if there is a place I can improve on. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.